This is how I study control of respiration. Now, for this part, we're going to be talking about the pons and the medulla. Okay, so let me just do a quick little drawing here. Okay, let's do this as the pons right here, right? Okay, so this is the pons. Oops. Pons. And this is the medulla down here. Alright, now the pons, we have the pontine respiratory center. I believe that's what it's called. Which is located right here. Okay, now this right here it's called a pontine respiratory center. Okay, now the medulla here is broken down into two separate little sections. We have one that is right here. The other one is right here. This one right here is known as VGR, or the ventral respiratory group. VGR. Oh, excuse me. VRG. VRG. This one right here is known as the dorsal respiratory group, or DRG. So DRG, VRG, and I guess pontine respiratory centers, or I guess you could just say PRC, you know, just for you, though it's not known, I believe. The pontine respiratory center interact with the medullary respiratory centers in smooth and respiratory patterns. Okay, so this interacts with the medulla, okay, the medullary respiratory centers, okay, which are the VRG and the DRG. The VRG contains rhythm generators whose output drives respiration, and the DRG here integrates peripheral sensory input and modifies the rhythms generated by the VRG. Okay? Now, the other thing that you'll like to know is the VRG controls the diaphragm, and it also controls external intercostal muscles. Okay, now that's the muscle in the rib cage. Alright, now this, it goes like this. Okay, so it comes from the pontine respiratory center down to the ventral respiratory group and the dorsal respiratory group. Alright, now the dorsal respiratory group integrates peripheral sensory input and modifies the rhythms generated by the VRG. That's why we have an arrow right here. And again, the VRG contains rhythm generators whose output drives respiration, hence why it's in control of the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscles. Okay, now a quick thing is the VRG and the DRG, they are the pacemaker. Oh, let me fix this G right here. Alright, now these two right here, they're the pacemakers. Okay, the pacemakers for breathing, okay, for breathing. In the pontine respiratory center, I'm just going to put PRC, okay, because my board is small. So the pontine respiratory center, that center helps transition. Okay, so it helps transition between inspiration and expiration. Expiration.